Double top is ideal for wooden wardrobes and cupboard doors weighing up to 45 kilograms. By buying the hardware separately, you are able to choose doors to match your personal tastes and designs. The kit. Track. Guide, stop and screws. Hangers. The tools. Drill. Tape measure. Screwdriver, electric or manual. Set square. Installing the track to the lintel. Measure the location of the track within the opening. Position the track and using a pencil, mark out all the pilot hole positions and drill. Holding the track firmly in place, screw the first track fixing into the lintel. Check the track position again and screw the second fixing in place at the opposite end. Once you are happy that the track is still in the correct place, use the other screws to secure the track in place. Fitting the hangers to the door. To attach the hardware to the door, start by marking out the two hanger positions, 50 mm from each edge of the door. Draw a line down the face of the door which the hanger is to be screwed to. Place the hanger on the door face, aligning with the line along the centre of the pencil line. Line up the curve with the top of the door and then mark out the pilot holes for the hanger screws. Drill the two pilot holes for each hanger. Then, using an electric or manual screwdriver, attach the hangers to the door using the screws provided in the kit, ensuring that the wheel is facing the correct way. Repeat for the second door, ensuring the hanger curves on both hangers are the opposite way to the first door. Hanging the door on the track. Now we can hang the first door, which is hung on the rear of the track. Then hang the second door onto the front track. There are two ways of hanging the door on the track. The easiest way is to slide the door in from the end of the track. However, if the space is limited, then you can lift the door onto the track at a 30-degree angle to locate the hangers and then gently hang the door vertically. Test that the doors are running correctly and smoothly by sliding the doors along the length of the track. Fitting the guide to the floor. Place the three-part guide either side of the rear door and mark out the pilot hole positions. Drill the pilot holes with the electric drill if necessary. Using the electric or manual screwdriver, use the screws provided in the kit to secure the guides to the floor. Then position the fourth part of the guide and mark out its position. Remove the door and drill the pilot holes and screw into place as before. Refit the front door as earlier, but lift the door over the front guide and drop into position. Final adjustment. Finally, adjust the door height using the slotted hole in the hangers so it slides 5 mm above the floor with smooth operation and with no obstruction. When all the clearances are correct, drill the pilot holes for the final lock screws and fit the lock-off screws in place. Fitting the stop. Now, we need to attach the stop to the rear of one of the doors. locate a suitable position and fix them into place. Additional accessories such as locks and handles are available for this system. Visit www.pchenderson.com for more information.